Now when we talk about one of the important thing in the conveyors is that when you want to reverse the conveyor direction, if you set the conveyor target speed to a non-zero negative value, the conveyor will reverse the direction. When a conveyor's direction is reversed, the following things are going to happen. Okay. So for example, let us check this out. Okay. What? Changing these details. We'll just change these details now. Okay. Current dot target speed gets or sets the target speed. Okay. So current dot target speed is equal to minus 20. Now if I reset and run this, okay, we're going to get an exceptional error. Why this is going to happen? Okay, why this is going to happen? If I just put this as this, what is going to happen? What is going to happen? It is working, right? I'll just run this. Okay, so you don't have the error now. Okay, because this is continuously getting executed. Okay, but this is now what is happening is you're setting up your conveyor speed. Okay, so the target speed for the conveyor is been set it to 20. Okay, so this is how you can use. So where I was is that if you set a conveyor target speed to non-zero negative value, you're going to get conveyor with the reverse direction. Okay, so what happens when that happens? Okay, that we're going to look at that now. But this way, if you just put it negative, it's not going to work. So if I just put here 5, minus 5, let's see what happens. Nothing happens. Things are running faster. Okay, and this is going to be set it to 0. Okay, now let me tell you first what happens when it goes in reverse direction. Okay, now all stopped items on the conveyor will be fully resumed. Each item on the conveyor will be set to a moving state. Okay, each item's target destination will be erased. For example, if the item previously has been sent to a point in system using conveyor.sendItem method, the destination will be forgotten. You have to keep this in mind while using reverse direction in the conveyors. Each item will regenerate its list of traversal points. For example, photo eyes, decision points, etc. If the item is entering the conveyor at the point, at the point where it is when the conveyor is reversed, that's what is going to happen. So that's what you need to be very aware about, setting up when the conveyor's target speed to non-zero value. Okay, now when we talk about conveyor dot width is the another syntax which can be used in the conveyors in order to get the width of the conveyor. We'll see this in our bonus video on conveyor flex scripting, that how we are going to reverse the conveyor speed or the direction of the conveyor. If you know that, put that in the comment section below and let us discuss that when we have the video to be coming out. Okay, where we will be trying out with the syntax where we will be reversing the direction of the conveyor. Now if you want to get the width of the conveyor, again simple, put the name of that. It has to be in double. Okay, I'll just move that, apply. The spelling for the double is not correct. Putting it here, reset and run, you get the width of the conveyor. Okay, and that is 1 meter. Perfect. So we have also covered the conveyor dot width. Now let us understand about conveyor dot estimate conveyor time and conveyor dot send item in detail in our upcoming next part of this video on conveyor scriptings. and stuffs in Flexsim. So let me know in the comment section, that which was your favorite syntax and which was your favorite, stuff in the conveyors in Flexsim Simulation. So that's all for today, guys. Let us meet another interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel. Till then, keep watching flex scripting, flex simulation tutorials, and exciting educational content at our website leansimcorp.com. So till then, bye-bye. Premium content, do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com, where you will be getting all these premium contents available. So talking about what things you're going to get in, you're going to get in, simulation solutions. You're going to get premium training classes for simulation stuffs. You will be getting 3ds model file support. You can buy modules. You can access to simulation case studies. You can visit our services. Also, you can visit the blogs which you're going to get. So I was talking about simulation solutions, right? You can schedule one-on-one session with us, for training and details. You can access our digital assets like learning center. Okay, so here comes the booking online employment. Talking about training classes, you can access premium training classes. Once you are going to purchase our subscriptions, you will be able to access our training classes which are listed out here, and these are continuously getting upgraded, guys. Talking about blogs, here we bring in blogs from travel experiences, health, devotionals, like industrial engineering, personality development, simulation tech, and lot more interesting and exciting. So do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com for premium content, blogs, and lots more.